First make a circle, okay? First make a circle like this. It is parrot kind of, okay? Macau. So make very nicely first circle properly like this. Okay. I show this blue color Macau I show. Okay. So now first keep silence and make it first a line like this. Okay. Like this. And now after that the first step is a circle, and at circle you can create the straight line like this. Okay, fine, with line like this. It is straight, this is little slant like this. Okay, like slant, little bit of basically shape like this. And now we are creating after that here. Okay, exactly from little down this area we are creating this. Okay, like this and like this. Okay, this is the first beak of this character. Aram se take time. Okay, like this. Yes, better. Yeah, first you make it circle. I draw over here again. First you make a circle like this. After circle, step 1. Step 2, you just draw one line over here. Okay, this is step 2. One line over here. Okay, here. And now step 3. 1, 2, 3 steps. Make a circle and straight line, and from here you can do like this. 1, 2, like this. Okay, very simple. It's pretty simple. Now the next week, the second week, like this. So it looks like the bird is smiling. So this is cartoon kind of bird. So here we can do some line like this. Okay, line like this. Mouth. It's called the beak. Okay, I show the beak line. Okay. Yes. Wow. So yeah, this beak you are making like this. Okay, so now you can create this like eyes, like a oval kind of. See, this is like a oval kind of things. Okay, you can put this.
Sir, is it like
Yeah, draw. You can say. Okay. This part, right, beta? This is very easy. I show over here. I put this. Yeah, eyes is like this. Eyes is like this. 1, 2, like this. This is actually this sides. This side. 1, 2. First like this. First step. Second step again do like this one. And third step, you are creating one circle and one oval like this. Okay. Yes. It's a bird. Yes, beta, it's a bird. This is birds called one animation movie. It's called the Rio. Yeah, Rio. I show that first you make this like this. First make like this. Okay, aram se take time. And again you are making one line like this. Anywhere you facing any problem, I show you again and again, don't worry. And then first this shape is like an oval, like this. This is little oval kind of shape, like this. And on inside you can make the circle. This is circle like this, okay, here. So this is the only, okay, you are creating this. And here you can put some feather effect like this, because Macau like this feather, and here also Macau is feather. Okay, so if I creating this drawing nicely. Now what you doing here? First you draw. Okay, first you draw over here like this. Okay, see, we are doing like this. Here 1, okay, and 2. Yeah, you can color. I can show color also. Okay, don't worry. Make the first outlines. Okay, here for the Rio. Create line like this. See, this is keeps. Yeah, I can use a black color crayon also. Mute yourself, all of you, mute yourself. You have any questions, then you can unmute and questions make, okay? Otherwise, if some sound is coming, beta. So now I can create the outline first before the start the color. I make the outline, okay? So I create the outline over here. A small nose hole over here. Okay, the very famous animated movie, the Rio. It's a part 1 and part 2. I watch this. I am so fan about this movie, and that the artist, the artist of who is making the Rio, that artist name is Nathan Fuchs. This is the amazing artist in this world. So Nathan Fuchs is a great artist who is the create that characters. Okay, so you are all very intelligent. So I giving the information. So that's why. So make it very nicely. It's very easy, and I hope you are enjoy lots when you are watching the movie. Okay, of Rio. So I make first the like this, okay. Fine, we are making some line over here. We're making some line over here. Okay. So basically the line of drawing is done. We should go now to color. So take all of you color blue. For this I prefer blue. Okay. So that cobalt blue I can use for that, and the sky blue. So first start the sky blue. Okay, sky blue. First make this one. First step by steps 1, 2, 3. Okay. First draw the circle. Second draw this. Third draw this. And fourth you start. So you can understand that step by step drawing. Okay, first step 1, step 2 I show you once again. Okay, don't worry. First make circle and then line. This is circle, you can make it here big. Okay, see, this is I show you again. Okay, here you can make it how easy any drawing. If you are using this process, okay, you can make it very easily any drawing. Okay, just using the circle shapes you are creating amazing drawing. Okay, so we are making this I color it now only. Okay, we are creating this sky blue. I'm using sky blue over here. Okay, I did not directly use the cobalt blue. First, I using the sky blue. So this color it. Okay. So I put the okay. So I put the sky blue over here, and I can create the sky blue over here also. Keep silence. The mute yourself, all of you, please. So I can you are listen my talking very clearly. Okay, I make this some cobalt blue and Prussian blue. So I use this Prussian blue for the depth. So I want to make here some depth. First gray color. Keep silence, please. I show the big color. Okay, please keep silence. I just make this first gray color for the big color. Yeah, I put the gray color for the big first. Okay, it's a gray. Yeah, it's a gray color, beta. It's a gray color. We are making the gray over here. Okay, eyes. I'm not doing anything else. It's fine. Absolutely perfect. We are making the gray color, and we can create here the light and shades, some lights and some shades. So how to put lights? You can put for that everywhere need the light and shades. So you can use the white color like this. You can use the white color. Okay, little highlights. I can make it like this. Few white color. Okay. And I using the black color also. So black color is showing some more nice, like here and there. See here the whole. You can put this side some little shading. See, I just put the shading. Aram se karo, okay, beta. Aram se, like this. And after this, all of you showing your drawing, I can see and giving the feedback before start this next drawing. Okay, so always yes, beta, gray and black. Okay, we are making something like this. So it looks like the birds are talking with me, right? This red color. Okay, so almost finished. You can mix with your hands like this, and you can yeah, we can cut like with your we can cut like this. Okay, with your see like this. We can make some texture with your if you have this spoon kind of things. You can make some design like this. So few designs. It looks really realistic. Okay. I make little bit more dark color, beta. Okay. Understand? Arshi, beta. Understood, beta? Yes. We are using somewhere I'm using the white also. Okay, somewhere I'm using the white color. So it looks more nice if you are using the white somewhere. Okay. So now we are going to the next drawing. After that, we are almost finished this drawing. Okay. Okay.